So I'm switching to the GoPro because, well, it's windy for one, and also I just unbalanced my gimbal and I don't have a table. So we're gonna do some handheld with the GoPro. We'll just cover this area back here. We're pretty quick on this. This guy's sitting here. You got this over here. Type R is badged on the side of this. There's some Volk wheels he's got. There's Type R.
I like the
accurate. Okay, so there's that. Show him some love. That's going over there. That just rolled by. Okay, so we got this NSX real time. There's the engine. Porsche's driving by. So there's that NSX, super clean, super clean. The Audi. The RSQ8 is what that is. There's a Holden. Enjoy. And here's that Corvette that I didn't get earlier. So here's that. Rolling through in the SI. I was over here on the Lightning. There it is. Under the hood on the Lightning. LMP Lee's modular performance. There's that. What is this? GT. Night Kids. It's a right side drive. It's a Skyline. It's a Skyline. It's a sedan. And over here we've got the Camaro. Got the Kia. The GT's on the move. Oh, is he just gonna park it over here? Just getting it out of the fire lane then. This will come into the sun perfectly. We'll just come into the sun. Get that color changing. Very good. SS. Hood's open. There we are.
This is what my motor will look like.
There's that. Rollers on the Jeep.